Now it's very important to make sure you get a 1 hour forehead rub a day for forehead circulation and pore growth. You want to make sure you get 1 hour per day to rub out all the kinks and knots and get all of the sinus pressure pushed out. You can ask a family member or friend. They should be happy to do it for you. If you cannot find a family member or friend, ask a coworker on your break if they'd be willing to give you a head rub for 1 hour. Most will do it for you. If you cannot find a coworker, go to your local library and ask someone there. You'll be surprised that most will be willing to do it for you. If you're still having trouble, put an ad in the paper. Say you need someone to rub your head for 1 hour a day. And for free. People love free stuff. If you're still having trouble finding someone to rub your head, go down to your local bus stop. Go down to your local bus stop. Remember to bring your hand sanitizer and let the local vagrant use the hand sanitizer. As you can see here, this rub is rubbing out sinus pressure. But this is for good forehead growth. As you can see, this is the push. A great forehead move for sinus pressure. If you are still having trouble finding someone, go down to your local college or high school. There are always kids that need to do community service. Make sure they rub your forehead before signing for their hours. You will find most kids need to do 70 hours of community service. So there you go. 70 hours right there of forehead rubbing. Problem solved. This is a great head rub move. This is a professional who knows what they are doing. This is the circular move. This is the sinus push. Any pro should know this move. If they do not, then they are not worth their salt. And do not be afraid to tell them that. You can say it politely even. I appreciate the 1 hour head rub a day. but you are not worth your salt. And if you want to stop being an amateur and become a professional, then you better practice. Because practice makes perfect. Just tell them that, and most will appreciate the honest criticism, the constructive criticism, and most will say, thank you. And after a good 1 hour forehead rub, your forehead will feel brand new. Your eyes will feel refreshed. You will be ready to conquer the world. Much better. Yeah. What? Something wrong?